Science Birds Food and More lesson. We will discuss subtopic different kinds of beaks. Different kinds of beaks. Okay. Already we will discuss children two types of beaks. Yes. First one, strong and sharp hooked beak. Yes, hooked beak. Hooked beak birds have flesh-eating birds. Hooked beak birds are the flesh-eating birds. And examples of hooked beak: eagles, vultures, kite birds. These birds have hooked beak. Okay, eagles, vultures, kites, these have a hooked beak birds. Next, second type, horny beak. HORNY, horny beak. Short and sharp, hard beak, horny beak. Horny beak birds: sparrow, pigeon, and finch. These birds have horny beak birds. Okay, hooked beak birds and horny beaked birds means eagles, vultures, kites have a hooked beak. Okay, these are the flesh-eating birds. Next, horny beak birds: sparrow, pigeon, finch. These are the horny beak. Hooked beak means like this, hook-like. Okay, hook-like. Next, horny beak means strong and short. Okay, strong and short beak like this. Okay. Next, third type, curved beak. Third type, curved beak. Curved beak. Curved beak and birds: parakeet. Curved beak birds: parakeet. Parakeet have a curved beak. Curved beak like this. Curve. It's a curved beak. Okay. Parakeet have a curved beak, and this curved beak helps to crack the nuts. Crack the nuts and hard fruits. Crack the nuts and hard fruits. This curved beak helps to crack the nuts and hard fruits. This curved beak also helps to climb the trees. This curved beak also helps to climb the trees. Okay, can you understand? Third type, curved beak. Parakeet have a curved beak. This curved beak helps to crack the nuts and hard fruits and also help to climb the trees. Climb the trees. Next, fourth type, strong and chisel shaped teeth. Chisel shaped beak. Fourth type, strong and chisel shaped beak. This chisel shaped beak have woodpecker. Woodpecker bird have a chisel shaped beak. Okay, this woodpecker bird have a chisel shaped beak. Chisel means carpenter's tool. Carpenter's tool. It is very sharp tool. Okay, carpenter's tool. carpenters are used this tool. Okay, strong and chisel shaped beak. Woodpecker have a chisel shaped beak. Okay, this beak is helps to this chisel shaped beak helps to tap the bark of trees, tap the bark of trees, and take out insects and take out insect. Okay, strong and chisel shaped beak helps to tap the bark of trees and take out insects. This chisel shaped beak have woodpecker. Yes, woodpecker have a chisel shaped beak. Chisel means carpenter's tool. Chisel means carpenter's tools, and this chisel shaped helps to tap the bark of trees and take out insects. Okay, inside. Fifth type, broad and short beak. Broad and short beak. Broad means like this, broad and short beak. Okay, broad and short beak. And this broad and short beak of a swallow, it is a sticky on the inside. Inside is have a sticky on the sticky, and swallow birds have a sticky beak, and the birds move around and fly, and in the air its beak open, and tiny flying insects get stuck and inside them. Small insects stick and inside them. Okay, can you understand? The broad and short beak of a swallow is sticky on the inside, and the bird moves around in the air with its beak is open the beak and stuck the small insects and inside them. Can you understand? These are the different kinds of beaks. Today we will discuss total 5 types. Okay. Remaining 2 types are there. Day after tomorrow class we will discuss. First one, hooked beak. Eagles, vultures, kites have a hooked beak. These hooked beak birds have a flesh eating birds. These birds eat small insects, snakes, frogs, mice, chicks. Okay. Next, horny beak birds, sparrow, pigeon, finch. These are the horny beak birds, and horny beak birds, it helps to crush the grains and seeds. Next, curved beak. Parakeet have a curved beak. This curved beak crack the nuts and hard fruits. This curved beak also help to climb trees. Next one, strong and chisel shaped beak. Woodpecker have a chisel shaped beak. Okay, next one, broad and short beak. Swallows have a sticky and swallow the small insects in these birds. Broad and short beak. These are the 5 types. Remaining 2 types are there. Day after tomorrow class we will discuss. Okay, thank you.